I was so broke. I tried to save money to buy bread. My phone was full of ideas, but my wallet was empty. I tried everything. Survey, random gigs, nothing moved. Then I found one thing I could do with no money, just my phone, and it changed everything in weeks. If you watch for 60 seconds, I will show you exactly what it is and how to start today. I remember staring at my bank app, balance so low, it hurt to look. I felt invisible, like success belonged to other people. But the truth, I don't need permission. I needed a skill people already pay for. This isn't crypto, not drop shipping, not a course. It's a simple service businessman or business owner beg for because it brings them views, leads, and sales daily. One thing, start a short form content repurposing service. Turn long videos, podcasts into viral reels, short TikToks for creators and small businesses. The one thing is short form content repurposing. I take someone's long video or podcast, cut the best 30 to 60 seconds, add caption, remove the junks, add sound effect, and make it post ready size. Creators and business owners don't have time, but they have content. I turned that content into growth. They pay, I deliver. Everyone wins. Why it always work? And I promise you it will work for you. Short form is the fastest way to be seen today. Businesses know it. Creators know it. They just can't meet up. If you can hand them 10 ready to post clips every week, you become indispensable. Here is exactly how I started from zero. Copy this. Step 1, pick a lane. Choose a niche you understand, such as coaches, realtors, restaurants, pastor sermon, fitness, or YouTubers. One lane, faster results. Step 2, learn the 3 edits. Cut arms, add subtitle, punch with zoom, jump cut. Use free tools like CapCut on your mobile or desktop. You only need clean cut plus readable caption today to start. Step 3, build 5 sample. You need to just build 5 samples. Grab any long video with permission, a friend's live or a sermon, a webinar, or a royalty-free talks. Create 5:9:16 clips with captions. Make them snappy. Make sure it hook in. Step 4, simple portfolio. Upload those 5 samples to Google Drive or a Notion page. Title it short form repurposing. Your name, keep it clean. Just need to keep it clean. Then step 5, irresistible offer. Irresistible offer. Offer one free sample from your targeting client from their existing videos. Fast turnaround, instant trust because you are not asking them for money first. Step 6, outreach. DM creators or small businesses on Instagram or TikTok, YouTube or LinkedIn. Say, I made a free 30-second clip for you from your latest video. I Do you want me to send it? Attach one watermark samples if possible and send it to them for them to see. They can't resist it. Step 7, pricing. Small Start small and scale up. Start at like $15 to $25 or $100 for 12 clips per month. Raise your price after 2 to 3 clients. Raise your price. Package stability. And step 8, delivery system. Create a share Google Drive. Share Google Drive folder per clip. So folders under it like 01 raw, 02 draft, or 03 approved thumbnails, captions, name files like 2025 September, blah, 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 blah. Then step 9, retain the client. Send a content calendar, 2 to 3 title caption per clips and auto captions. Clients stay when you remove thinking from their plate. Yes, they will not resist it because you have already make it ready for them. They don't have to do any other effort on how to post. Then step 10, scale when you hit 2 clients. Create a template when you hit 4 clients. Delegate editing using your template and keep quality checks. My first week, I sent 35 DMs. 3 people replied. One said yes to the free clip. I delivered in 12 hours. That turned into my first dollar. Retainer for 12 clips, then referral scheme, not local. This is system. This is a system. But what if you have never edited before? That was me. I learned the basics in a day. Clients don't want Hollywood standard. They want consistent, clean, on brand clips that get watch time. You can do this with just your phone. With just a phone. Here is a 60-second workflow. Number 1, drop the video in your editor and cut the strongest sentence first. Add big captions. No tiny text. Keep 4 lines maximum. Number 2, add 1 to 2 zooms on emphasis. Export in 1080 by 1920. Done next clips. Don't scroll and wish to start for the next 7 days. Send 20 DMs per day. Offer 1 free clip and deliver within 24 hours. You will get replies. Comment. Start. And I will pin my free outreach script plus pricing template. If this helped, subscribe because next week I will show you exactly how I turn 1 client into 6 without paid access. See, also don't go, watch out this video. It might interest you very well.